Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong money, career, finances reading for January 2024. Ayan, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Virgo, let's see your money, career, finances, energy ngayong January. Empowerment. Wow. So, you are feeling powerful ngayong January. I think inspired ka ngayon. Maaring sa mga na-achieve mo in the past, or may mga taong very supportive sa mga goals mo. You're also activating your power, no? Ngayong January in terms of your career, yung sa business mo, and even sa pag-handle mo ng finances. Mas ano ka ngayon, mas organized ka ngayon. Okay? You also have semi-sextile. This is about encouraging yourself to do better. I think meron talagang, you are seeing some potentials ngayon sa mga projects or ideas na ginagawa mo ngayon, whether this is sa career or sa business mo. And nakikita mo na meron kang nasimulan noon, no? Not so long ago, na nakita mo kaagad yung resulta. And nakita mo na nag-grow. So, this can be a new business, a new career na sinubukan mo. And then, nakita mo yung growth. And now, na-realize mo na, oh, kaya ko palang gawin yon. Kaya, empowered ka. And yung mga life's lessons na natutunan mo in the past with Saturn energy, this is about wisdom, no? So, kung ano yung mga natutunan mo, yung nag-gain mo na wisdom sa mga experiences mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, you are using that, no, to improve your situation sa iyong career. So, let's see your, tinan pa natin. Ito pala. Kuha tayo ng iba pang cards for you, Virgo. Ayan, uplifting. O, diba? You are feeling uplifted. It seems na nakakaisip ka ng mga bagong goals ngayong January on how to have more freedom, to be more independent. I think meron ka ngayong control sa iyong career, sa business mo ngayon. Some of you, meron kayong business or self-employed kayo, wala kayong boss, so kaya nyo na i-navigate yung inyong career ngayon. Ayan, no? Merong new beginnings. Ayan, so yung iba sa inyo, inspired kayo dahil meron kayong new member of the family, may baby sa bahay, or this can also mean na parang bago mong baby, like a new car. Yung iba, they consider their cars as their new baby, or meron kayong bagong pet, or anything new sa buhay ninyo na nagbibigay sa inyo ng inspiration to continue grow. And yes, you are believing in the impossible. So I think ngayon, you are doing manifestations, or mas nagiging ka ngayon, spiritually inclined about attracting yung mga good things sa buhay mo, attracting abundance, prosperity. You also have masters. See, you are very disciplined. You are working smart. You are using your resources so well. Meron kang skills na minamaster mo ngayon na tutulong talaga sa'yo para mas maging maunlad. You are in the flow. Yung iba sa inyo may training na haharapin ngayong January to improve your knowledge, your skills. Let's see your overall energy. You have the High Priestess. Yes, so when it comes to wisdom, you really know what you want. At some of you, maaring you are you're doing some spiritual work. Maaring you are into spirituality, using different forms of divination. And this is also about yung pagiging kaya mong magtrabaho on your own na hindi umaasa sa iba. Na hindi mo kailangan yung suporta ng ibang tao, although there are people who will support you, but alam mo na kaya mo on your own. Yes, you also have the Knight of Pentacles. So I think very ka ngayon, focus ka doon sa pagkakaroon ng financial stability. Oo. Slowly but surely. Ito yung tipong hindi ka nagmamadali. Gusto mo lang makita yung progress. Gusto mo lang makita may nagbabago, may nag-grow. So, your challenge is temperance and the 3 of Wands. So, I think, some of you gusto nyo rin na meron kayong mga gusto pang i-multitask, okay? There are times na gusto natin pagsabay-sabayin yung maraming bagay. But, yung iba, medyo challenging pa sa inyo, lalo na kung yung resources ninyo ay limitado or ikaw lang talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan mo to do it. So, syempre, mahirap na mag-multitask or magkaroon ng maraming responsibilities na hindi mo naman talaga kayang gampanan. So, for you, ang challenge is kung paano mo pipiliin kung saan mo lang ibibigay yung energy mo, yung effort mo para hindi naman yun masayang. Okay? So, let's see. Halimbawa, gusto mo magsabay-sabay yung trabaho, career, business mo, pero hindi mo naman pala lahat maasikaso, so sayang lang yung effort mo, yung resources. Whereas, kung nakatuto ka lang sa isa or dalawang bagay, mas mamamanage mo yon. So, your opportunity, you have the Knight of Cups and the 7 of Swords. So, I think when it comes to trust issues, mabilis kang makakita ng flaws or ng issue sa yung tipong if there is something wrong, ang bilis mong maramdaman na kumbaga sobrang lakas ng instinct mo, alam mo agad if merong danger sa paligid mo, if there is someone na hindi totoo sa'yo, nakikita mo agad yon. So, kaya madali sa'yo na mag-sort ng situation na, oy, hindi ko muna gagawin to, or oy, hindi ako makikipag-deal sa tao na to. And then your blessing is the 8 of Pentacles and the 3 of Cups. You're going to be rewarded sa career mo, sa business mo, or sa kung ano man na tinatrabaho mo na nandun talaga nakabuhos yung iyong attention. Lalo na if you are mastering a skill or a craft. With the 3 of Pentacles, meron ditong celebration. You will be celebrating with your friends, your family, about an accomplishment. Meron kang ma-accomplish. Malaking bagay ngayong January. Your success is now at hand. See, andyan na talaga sa kamay mo yung success. Allow abundance to flow to you effortlessly. Yes, abundance is flowing. Smile, you will soon experience a wonderful journey of inner discovery. So, I think you will discover more about your talents, your skills, yung mga bagay mo pang kayang gawin. And then the magical and unique qualities of your untapped potentials are unfolding now. Yes, part of the discovery mo sa sarili mo, yung mga kaya mo pang gawin. And I think yan yung bibigyan mo ngayon ng attention, pupuhunanan mo yung skills mo. You're going to invest on your skills para mas lalo mong ma-improve ang iyong finances. So that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.